we will see shear strain is equal to summation of compression strain and extension strain. In the diagram, you are observing ABCD is a cube, and in the second diagram, force F is applied along edge of cube DC, and there are two diagonals BD and AC. Here you are observing after the application of force along a DC, then what happens? You are observing after the application of force along DC, then cube shown in figure after the applied force transform from ABCD to ABC dash D dash. Due to applied force F, D transform to D dash and C transform to C dash. Also, diagonal BD compresses to BD dash and diagonal AC extended to AC dash. From diagram, you can see shear strain theta is equal to DD dash divided by AD is equal to CC dash divided by BC. From the diagram, C perpendicular AC, then in the diagram AC dash gives extension of AC which is equal to AE, and DF gives compression of BD in this diagram. Extension strain along AC is equal to AC dash divided by AE is equal to AC dash divided by AC. Angle C dash CB is nearly 90 degree and angle CC dash E is nearly 45 degree. Then from triangle CEC dash, EC dash divided by CC dash is equal to cos 45 degree. That is, AC dash is equal to CC dash multiplied by cos 45 degree, which is equal to CC dash divided by root 2, because cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. From triangle ABC, you are observing in this diagram BC divided by AC, which is equal to sin 45 degree, and sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So therefore, AC is equal to root 2 BC. EC dash divided by AC is equal to CC dash divided by root 2 into root 2 BC. EC dash divided by AC is equal to CC dash divided by twice BC. CC dash divided by BC is equal to theta. You can observe from diagram. Therefore, AC dash divided by AC is equal to 1/2 theta. So this is equation 4 we have written. Similarly, earlier we have seen about the extension. Now similarly we are considering a compression strain along BD, and which is decrease in length per unit original length, which is equal to DF divided by BD. DF by DD dash is equal to cos 45 degree. DF is equal to DD dash multiplied by cos 45 degree. Therefore, DF is equal to DD dash divided by root 2. DF by BD is equal to DD dash divided by root 2 into root 2 into AD, which is equal to 1/2 dd dash by AD. And we know dd dash by AD is equal to theta. Therefore, df divided by BD is equal to 1/2 theta, which is equation we have denoted here 5. So thus from equation 4 and 5, shear strain is equal to the sum of compression strain and extension strain. That is, shear strain is equal to compression strain into bracket 1/2 theta plus extension strain into bracket 1/2 theta. So this is about the shear strain, which is equal to summation of compression strain and extension strain.